All right. Last but not least, the 60-degree angles or pi over 3 angles on the unit circle. What I'm starting with here, okay, what I would say before you watch this, if you haven't watched my video on the 30-degree angles on the unit circle, go back and watch that first, okay? Because here's what I'm going to do. We're going to talk about how this 30, 60, 90 triangle, okay, we've already measured the side lengths here of this, right? Like so. And I don't know how this is going to work, but we'll find out. I haven't demoed this yet. This will be interesting. If this is our 30, 60, 90 triangle, and these are the side lengths because the radius is 1, if I take this shape and rotate it like so, yeah, it's not going to be perfect, right? And fit it here, okay, you get the idea, right? We have the 60-degree angle down here now, and we have it's the same triangle with the same radius as the hypotenuse with these same measurements here, but now they're giving the coordinates of this point. So now, whereas over here it was radical 3 over 2 and 1/2, okay, now, and that was the case because it was further this way than this way. Now we're going over 1/2 and up radical 3 over 2. Okay, so same numbers, different order for the 60-degree angles that exist around the unit circle. So here are our 60-degree reference angles. Okay, here's one of them, here's the other, here's one down here, and here's one down here. So anything that has a 60-degree reference angle, okay, is going to have the same pi over 3 reference angle, right? We have 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi, 5 pi over 3, and 60 degrees away from these quadrantial angles is what they're called. 60 degrees above 180 is 120, 60 degrees below 180 is 240, 60 degrees below 360 is 300, and then we have the 60-degree angle here. And then just like in the 30-degree angles and the 45-degree angles, the coordinates here are the same. The only difference is their sign values, meaning negatives, depending on where they fall in which quadrant. Okay, so positive x values over here, negative x values over here, negative 1/2, negative 1/2, right? Positive y values up here, positive radical 3 over 2, positive radical 3 over 2, negative y values down here. Okay, and there is hundreds of ways to look at the symmetry and the patterns that exist in the unit circle. The purpose of these videos was just to explain where these coordinates come from and how we can use reference angles to determine all of the angles in radians and degrees that are located around the unit circle.